In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update sales tax rates in QuickBooks Online. As a business owner or someone handling accounting, keeping your sales tax rates updated in QuickBooks is crucial to ensuring accurate financial records and compliance. Let's walk through the process step by step. To start, you'll need to head over to QuickBooks. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Once your account is ready, go ahead and click on the Sign In option for QuickBooks Online. If you're already registered, simply sign in with your account credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. After entering your information, click Continue. This step will navigate you toward the main interface of QuickBooks Online. If you have multiple companies linked to your QuickBooks account, be sure to select the correct company file you wish to work with. This ensures you're updating the sales tax rates for the right business. Once logged in and settled on the main page, locate the Get Things Done section of QuickBooks. Here, navigate towards the Sales Tax section. This area is where you'll review and update your tax rates. QuickBooks typically updates rates automatically for most tax agencies. However, it's always a good idea to manually check your listed tax agencies from time to time to ensure nothing is amiss. Should you need to make manual updates or add new rates, look for the option to Add Rate and Agency. Or if you need to adjust an existing rate, simply select it to edit. Here, you will enter the new rate percentage along with the effective date for the change. Accurate entry here is essential to maintain precise financial records. As you manage your tax rates, you might also want to verify details such as the agency name and filing frequency. If any updates are needed, this is the time to make those changes. Click on Filing Frequency to adjust how often you report taxes to the authorities and update your agency name as needed. You can also check the start of tax period and start date to align your reporting periods correctly with your records. Wrong dates can lead to errors in your accounting reports, so take extra care to verify these. If the reporting method for your taxes needs review, click on Reporting Method to ensure you're using the appropriate accounting basis, be it cash or accrual. Once all adjustments are made, don't forget to click Save to apply these changes. This simple action solidifies your updates within the system, ensuring future transactions reflect the most current tax rates and settings. By following these steps methodically, you can easily manage your sales tax settings in QuickBooks Online. Staying on top of this task not only simplifies tax season, but also keeps your records accurate and compliant. Thanks for watching, and remember, keeping your QuickBooks information up to date is a vital part of managing any successful business.